Hello everyone. Wait, oh my god. The echo. Sorry about that. Hello, welcome to my chat room. I'm Lockfei, your local useless gamer that doesn't actually know how to game. Welcome to my stream. Today we're promoting a new game from Cambodian game developer. Welcome to Missing Bakluan, the Laid Night Rice Noodles. Yay! Hello! Welcome in! I'm so excited for this game. I actually should have played this like before, like the moment it came out, but I was like sleeping. Today I did not really eat anything, but like I had dinner. I had like spicy noodles. How about you all, like the viewers? How? Wait, what am I saying? Nhắm bay hay nở? And what you got? And it's like, also tell me about the audio of the game. If there are any shit going on, tell me please. And I will probably post this on my YouTube too. That's why I don't have like a chat layout on the game. I don't have one to begin with. What am I saying? I had plain noodles and plain rice. Ooh, and the combination is good though, so I don't think it's really that plain. But should we talk more or should we jump right into the game? Because this is a demo and it's pretty short, coming from my friend, who's maybe in the chat right now. Also, the other person, peoples, you can say hi to me, don't be shy, I don't eat soul. Noodles as breakfast, plain rice as lunch, and I didn't eat dinner though. Why you're not eating dinner? It's already like 7:50. ប្រយ័ត្នខ្យល់ចាប់ណាអ្នកស្រីអ្នកម្នាងអ្នកជំទាវទៅញ៉ាំបាយទៅប្រយ័ត្នខ្យល់ចាប់ I don't want people to get sick because of my stream, you know. Yeah. Anyways, how are you guys doing? How's your day? My day consistent of me sleeping the half of the day. I actually woke up like at 2 this today. Like it's so bad. It's just so bad. I'm so excited. I watched the game developer like since the day they first made the game, and I'm like, ooh, let me follow them. Let me follow the game, the development. So I actually watch every single video of the game development. Let the dev post, but like the behind the scene, I don't know. I haven't eat dinner yet. Yeah, I can tell because you literally wrote I didn't eat dinner. LOL. Okay, I kind of feel sassy today. Did I talk too much? Also, thankfully my throat worked before the game, so. Wait, let me check the setting. Oh, there's only sensitivity. Should I move it or should I not? Maybe that would be good. Anyways, like the game is actually put as like a cooking game, like the file of the game. Cooking game, but this is horror. Anyway, let's go into the game. Wait.
មកថាភ្លើងទីក្រុងវាភ្លឺជាស្អាតចាំងប្រព្រឹត្តគ្រប់ពណ៌ផ្លែកភ្នែកតាក់ទាញចិត្តអ្នកដែលមិនធ្លាប់ឃើញពីក្នុងព្រោះបើកាលណាឃើញហើយក៏ស្រមៃដល់ជីវិតហឺហាស៊ីវិល័យហើយទំនើបដែលអ្នកគេនៅក្នុងក្រុងគេរស់នៅប្រៀបដូចជាចង្រិតដែលជាប់អន្ទាក់ព្រោះភ្លើងអង្គប់តាមស្រែ
Oh my god, this is so good.
នរណាក៏គេនិយាយដូចនោះខ្ញុំលឺឡើងសឹកក៏ដាស់ទៅជាហើយតែរឿងមួយដែលមិនធ្លាប់មាន
Okay, កាត់សក់
ធ្លាប់សួរសោះចុះបើទីក្រុងលែងមានភ្លើងវាងងឹតសូនឆឹងវិញនោះយ៉ាងម៉េចវិញទៅឧបមាថាភ្លើងពណ៌តែដាក់អន្ទាក់យកចង្រិតចុះស្រមៃមើលបើចែកដោនភ្លើងនោះវាមិនភ្លឺចង្រិតវាមិនរួចខ្លួនព្រោះមិនចាំបាច់ចាញ់បោកភ្លើងពណ៌ដែលគេដាក់អន្ទាក់តែខ្ញុំគិតថាវាសនាខ្ញុំវាផ្ទុយពីចង្រិតអស់ស្រឡះព្រោះបើសិនយកនោះអន្តការសនឆឹងខ្ញុំមិនដឹងទៅជាយ៉ាងណាទេ
Okay, story building is great. Monday evening. Okay. Finally, I've arrived in the city. Phew. I feel this strange mix of excitement and nerve. Like, I'm a little scared and a little happy at the same time. People say the city is buzzing at night, but why is it so dead silent at this hour? My aunt asked me to help selling nom banh chok, Cambodian rice noodle, for her at night. Oh, my favorite food. They are so good. But if it's this quiet, who's going to buy them? It's strange. Most people sell these during the day. Oh my god, our characters speak so slow. I don't like eating them actually. Why not? They are delicious. Even though like they call nom jok, you actually did not get the jok by the nom. But it's still really good. I eat them then like when I get bored of plain rice, I eat nom jok and they are so good. I'm a fan of Khmer cuisine because I'm Khmer. My aunt is the only one selling them at night. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Let me set up the stall first. I'll get used to it eventually. Can I move now? Okay, I can move. I should not set the sensitivity a bit than it is. Wait. Okay, let's lock the door because I read the objective. Wait, did I hear something? I hear something. Oh, the graffiti. Wait, where did these hanging out from? I don't see any light. I mean line. The lines. Shit. Look at the close stretch. I mean, it is a demo, so. I mean, if I found like, I don't know how to read Think My Street. I would like it, but like when my mom make it or when my parents buy it as breakfast, I don't like it. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I love it every time. I'm pretty picky about eating vegetable, but when it comes to num jok, I eat every labawi. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my language. It's too much for me to eat sometimes. No, it's not that a lot. Maybe because I'm a big back pig, because I eat a lot. Oh, a spirit house right in the middle of the path. It looked pretty creepy. Okay. Oh, I love this. The details. It looks so good for like a single like indie dev. It looks so good. Wait, what does it say? I can't read. It's so blurry. Wednesday? Is that Wednesday? Noko Ratbal? Oh, Noko Ratbal Pomui. Administrative police stations Pomui. Okay. Oh my god. These are all cigarette. I cannot pronounce the word right. Oh, like, look at this, guys. I was looking from afar, and I thought it was like account. But no, it's exchange money. It's like dollars to something. Oh, I like the cricket sounds here. Lua Pestia group paid. Why you sell cigarette though? Right here, I see this. This is like a memorable pack of cigarette. I didn't smoke. Oh, this is the radio. You seen like in the trailer. The game had trailer, by the way. It's so cool. Oh, truss bin made out of car tire. That's great. What is this? I've seen this before, like in real life. Oh, these stations. That's not the way. My parents used to sell them. You mean cigarette? I mean, yeah, my family sell them too. Cause people still smoke, you know. By the way, the sensitivity is killing me right now, but I don't know how to go back. But Kluan, missing. Help bring Watai home. Missing from Pumui since last night. 11 years old. Cambodian, 29 kilogram. Whoa, does missing poster have that? Okay. Wait, let me check the map before I play anything, cause wait, what? Sina cắt sọ. Đầm lấy 2,500 Lip sọ. Lip po sọ. Is this like the real picture? I think it's already outdated, even though it's real. Oh, đầm lấy 2,500 luôn. Oh my god. Hay smile look ขอกัดสะ$10 lip tham sọ chất mà 20,000. I'm kidding. But like it's so expensive nowadays. Oh, look at size ad nha. Coming to school, let's size ad. Thị đa. BUT. Okay, Khmer. This is so Khmer, because it is Khmer. Cắt sọ. What is that? អត់ចេះអាន អត់សក់ត្រង់ រួញ ម៉ាសាមុខ ដូរពណ៌សក់ ខាត់មុខ ធ្វើក្រចក មាន លេលៀប Oh, ឲ្យស្បែកស I have I'm struggling to read. I'm read everything. Oh. ចុំមិញហ្នឹង salon. អានោះហាងកាត់សក់ អានេះ salon. ចានេះគេ អានេះ 3,500 ឬ 7,500 អូ 3,500 ប្រុសហោត្រីសាប់ហោហួចប្រុសហួចកាត់សក់បុរសម៉ាសាមុខយកក្រចកចុះមិនមែនកាត់ក្រចកយកក្រចកwait យកត្រចៀក That's still weird យកត្រចៀកI thought យកក្រចក but យកត្រចៀកហ្នឹងមិនចឹង cắt cờ trọ. Hey, why all the poster were like plastered with people face? Wait, let's look at that first. Oh my god, that's the king of singing of Cambodian. Some Sisimot. And bunch of other posters that I don't know. I might be old, but I'm not that old so to know everything. 3នោះសាឡនទាំង3ចានេះគេដែរសាឡនដែរហើយងាប់សាឡន4ជាប់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងលោកមិនដាច់ធ្វើមិនកើតបន្ថែមនៅផ្សារគេដាក់សាឡនក្បែរៗគ្នាដែរ I know the grandpa golden voice. Yeah, some season one. I bet it's just bunch of salon together. What is this? Oh, កន្លែងលក់ជក់ខ្វៃហ៎ជក់ខ្វៃអូយទេមើលមានអាគេមានទូរស័ព្ទទេមើលទេកំងជក់ខ្វៃមួយ Oh my god, the car is so rusty. Rusty car. អូយ Bro អត់មានកញ្ចក់បែកកញ្ចក់ទៀតឡានអត់មែនតើហ្មងតែអ្នកជាងផាយអត់កំណត់ដែរជិះឡានតនេះអង្គនេះកន្លែងកាត់ដេរអានទៀតទេចង់ you want to hear me and my broken ខ្មែរមានទទួលកាត់ដេរសម្លៀកបំពាក់គ្រប់ប្រភេទគ្រប់ម៉ូដគ្រប់ប្រភេទទាំងសាមញ្ញនិងI can't see the letter ហូលផាមួងអាវប៉ាក់ស្អីគេហ៎បែអានអត់ដាច់អត់ចេះខ្មែរអានអត់ដាច់អានេះសំអាងការអើយចង់អានហ្នឹងគេលេងសើចមួយជីវិតឯងអត់ចេះអានខ្មែរកូនខ្មែរចេះអានខ្មែរ Oh imagine calling them and they actually answer it's Samai I know I sucks with Khmer I sucks with English why am I even studying I'm so suck at everything I'm getting chills down my spine wait what is going on oh I can't move see cái này chạy vôព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជា Long live Kingdom of Cambodia yes long live okay what the f is going on the wind is quite strangely cold did you not wear a jacket go wear a jacket if you think it's cold I'm looking it's supposed to be a horror game so just looking for myself this is our stall right Cambodian rice noodle Phnom Mui San Kok Phnom Penh someone need to throw that trash away let's start cooking so this is our stall okay what do I do but okay we still but turn on the light find the lamp I think the dev should like put the objective like at least like around lower like just make it lower because like too up there some people don't see it wait I just saw okay turn on the light oh okay what else prepare soup stations find the soup stations it's right behind here isn't it what is that sound skill issue over here excuse me alright let's say I do have skill issue bro read the yellow line I read them it's just that it's on top there it's inconvenience okay yeah the sensitivity is killing me I'm the one who's playing it's killing me more than it's kill you oh ingredient station find the prepare ingredient oh cầm héo tóc nia like I've seen that a lot of time wow conveniently you're going to cut like cầm rau tóc and tóc line chơ wait is this cutting the cầm rau tóc or is it a platter oh it cut right through the cầm rau tóc read the instructions complete the task oh what's this you see this it's blood though click escape oh damn it you should have told me a long time ago bro okay they would have told me to click escape to just in the first place I wouldn't suffer through that fucked up sensitivity I told you well you told me but it's too late this is the instruction of how to prepare food please read carefully why am I talking to myself like that dev game developer you shouldn't do that and you must remember customer ordered this is the game talks way slower than when I don't know how to think and I talk I did you didn't read it I had to tell you second the time oh I guess I'm sorry Loki I did not read because I okay I'm sorry really like I didn't read it and I blame it on you good luck yeah it's weird that the game literally like put you Oh shit, I clicked too fast. Cambodian fish noodle soup. What is this? I can't read. Vegetables plus noodle plus Cambodian fish soup. Sầm lò nôm bịch tóc sầm lò khmai.បន្លែនំបចុកស្លខ្មែរគេហៅស្លប្រហើរគេមិនហៅស្លខ្មែរទេ Curry noodles soup. Vegetable plus noodle plus curry soup. នំបចុកការីបន្លែនំបចុកស្លការីអូយងាប់ហើយគាត់ដាក់ chili មិនដាក់ chili សោះ easy ខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ធ្វើនំបចុកឲ្យគេញ៉ាំទៅចឹងអត់អី Open the food stall. Click on the sign here. Bro, did you just... Oh my god, he teleport here. Okay, let me go into the middle. Hello, ជំរាបសួរពូយ៉ាចេញឆ្ងាយតិច
ហើយមេឲ្យថែមមកដល់យប់ឡើងណានេះស្មានតែឲ្យហូបលុយតា
អីគេនិយាយរឿងសើបងអីគេ No worries, my stall is still open just for you. Haha. This is so awkward, like just for you. Haha. Okay, promo to like the voice actor. Your voice sounds so good, dude.
ឲ្យខ្ញុំចុះស្លខ្មែរដាក់មកពេលបងមួយចានមកអញ្ចឹង
Trong lẽ nó smile đam cái vậy chăng rồi lo sập thấy được hay chăng vậy ha là nghĩ give me a bowl of okay slow khmai mùi mà tì okay bằng nhưng mà thay bằng trời wait oh my god the perspective wow I should put the sensitive up or wait did I make it a worse even more worse Ê, quậy Chồng keng mình Anh, bắt khơi như chồng Ý Dặm mong Dắp Đậm tế Ok Nét bông Ớt thon bông, nhưng mà chị nụ Sao có cái chân Cả I think I'll stream on YouTube It's so soft, but with flirting kind of way. Oh, okay. I'll put the sensitive to okay. Yeah. She just busy. No, các chân mình có awol các chân. Có các còn có awol chẳng nhâm chui năm tô bài quan. Ui anh chơi khoai liệt only. I see. I'll be heading off then. Okay, bye bong. Who definitely not try to flirt with me. Yeah. Ôi, do cha này hơi. Dùng màu này. Đi nha. Sao say pù?
ហើយយ៉ាមែនទេណាលុតអាយមែនទេណា
Pùសំណាង Cha pùខ្ញុំលុកអ្នកឯងពូឯងមិនឃើញមានណាគេឆក់ក្បាលខ្ញុំអត់ពូអត់ទេច្រើន
អូល្អ
ល្អអីគេពូល្អអីគេពូ ពូសំណាងអីគេពូចុច3ដងហ្នឹង Your choice. Oh, what would you like? What are you staring at? Hey, we're a seller, so we're going to be nice and polite.
នំបញ្ចុកស្លការីដាក់មកទេមួយចានហើយល្អធម្មតាណាក្មួយ
Cha pù. Ơi, chồng nhầm lại trong ba đợt pù. Nha. Đào lươn pi. Mấy cất ôi đầm tay rồi. Đầm tay pù. Đầm tay. Đó việc bà này.
បើឆ្ងាញ់ចាំស្អែកពុកមកជួយទិញទៀត
Bàច្រឡំចាពូច្រឡំនិយាយបាទ Ôiនិយាយតាមតំណាទៅអញខ្វល់ចាបាទអីទេ Got it uncle ពូរៀងអត់សក់តិចពូកុំទៅសាឡនអត់សក់ពូព្រោះអញអត់សក់ចឹង អីដាក់ហើយ
Nè vui, nào lúc đặt tì hả dùng chân nữa.
Cha dây ốc lột đách để tầm lụa ngày nắng ngạc nắng. Yeah, quite a few, grandma.
Nè, không nhìn cái đà tạm nhiên tôi mà tôi sẽ chỉ bị nạ kê nâng hả?
Oh, okay. Wait, why did it just like pull back again? Món đồ bóng nó một dây mòn. Tại vì thấy chuyện coi mà khỏi đó. Vậy à lường liền nó ngót thôi mà khỏi tiền. Chồng, liền sao vậy? Who was that person following you? Oh, grandma, I came all the way by myself. I would say this because like nhị mơ mình ấp nên khơi ngạc cây còn.
Ồ, bà hãy chơi này hai chị đang chào ơi.
Okay, let me back off. Cha dây.
Nè, đã nộp cho slot mai, ấp nằm ở đây ai mà chán mau nè cháu. Hai công việc đã là bao đến chán tệ ngon hả?
How did you do that? Well, can't even double click to skip. Fish? គាត់យកឡកដែរហាឃើញដាក់យ៉ាប់ណាcònដាក់នំផង
ទៅផ្ទះវិញដើរមើលផ្លូវស្រួលមួយផងណាចា
អូខ្ញុំខ្លាចមុខយាយបាទយាយខ្ញុំខ្លាចមុខយាយYeah thank you grandma យាយគួរខ្លាចហើយមកពេលនេះមុនដំបូងឃើញគាត់ចឹងងាកមកនេះ I'm too close to the stall ចាំ scare ខ្លួនឯងងាប់ទៀតលោអូវត្តៃវត្តៃauntie ដល់ស្លករីអត់យកហឹមចប់មីកូននឹងឈ្មោះវត្តៃដូចអាមួយបាត់ខ្លួនដែរមើលនៅមើលយ៉ាស់ងាកមកក្បាលធំមកនឹងរត់បិទប៉ោងនេះមើលមុខអ្នកនរគ្នាចិត្តពេកអូខេ Hello Kitty shirt ចុយពាក់ស្លងទៀតអត់ពាក់បែកជើងអញ្ចឹងទិញមកជើងដើរទិញមកជើងជើងមកធានទៀតនេះទៅមើលសិនអូភ្លេចមើលផ្លូវប្រហែលកូនហ្នឹងអាមួយបាត់ខ្លួនហ្នឹងមែនមើលសិនហ្នឹងនេះមើលឈ្មោះបតីដែរអាវមួយគ្នាអត់ចំណាំមកឲ្យចាំអាវ Hello Kitty អូខេខ្មោចមកទិញនំបញ្ចុកហើយច្រឡំនេះមិនខ្មោចទេចាមានមកផែយកឃើញកូននឹងហើយតែគេភ្លេចបកអាកដាស់ហ្នឹងជុំកូននឹងវាមីកូននឹងវានៅOh what the heck អ្នកឃើញមើលពីយ៉ាងណាចេះ How does it feel អីអូនបងចាំបងឯងចង់បានអីនំចុកការីអត់ដាក់ទេនិយាយចឹងកូនណាឃើញអូនឯងដូចបាត់ខ្លួនហ៎គេហៅអូនឯងឃើញតាមណាអូនហាមើលមុខឆ្ងល់អ្នក developer game developer ជួលមុខកូនមេងមកចុះតែតើអីតាសុបួលវាគេចាក់ទៀត But honey walking around at night like this aren't you scared the road is so quiet ដូចគ្នាតែឆ្កែដែរកែងហើយកែងនឹងស្ទើស្លោនឹងតែឯងនៅនឹងដែរ Alright thank you and be careful on your way back មើលសក់អូននឹងសក់វាក៏សខ្ញុំមកបាយ It's just game mechanic តើឆ្ងាយពីកន្លែងលក់តិចអាយ៉ូពាក់មួកឡើងសង្ហា
ស្គាល់ខ្ញុំអត់ចា
ហេងឃើញឈ្មោះហេងវិញស្គាល់បាទខ្ញុំអត់ស្គាល់ឈ្មោះទេ And who might you be Are you famous មិនសួរថាស្គាល់អត់ថែ
ចាំអត់ទេខ្ញុំមកហេងស្ទាបចាំគូម៉ា
Also still translate into English is cool guy but it's like there's a prostitute I cannot say the mark that is so embarrassing Wow so cool haha So what are you gonna have today
យើងមកចុះស្លកខ្មែរអត់តាមទេម្ចាស់
អូយអន់ស៊ីអត់តាមទេឡកខ្មែរអត់តាមទេចឹងក៏បានដែរអន់ណាស៊ីនំចុកអត់តាមទេខ្លាញ់ទេមែននំចុកអត់តាមទេអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ទេតាមទេបានវាឆ្ងាញ់ឡកខ្មែរឡករីមិញខ្មែរដាក់យកព្រឹកបាត់អីមិញវាអត់យកទេហ្នឹងចាំដល់ហួស
ទឹកស្លអែមអងចា
អូខេបានប្រូកុំនិយាយខ្ញុំចុះ Where you broដែរ Come back tomorrow bro Pisces ហើយ voice acting អីអាកន្លែង Pisces នឹងអត់ជ័យចឹងចាំមកកន្លែងគេគេ disappear អូយហើយតុកហ្នឹងមិនបានសិតទៅអើយអត់ចេះជូតមែននេះនៅឆ្ងាយពេកបាទអត់លឺ Are you the niece of the lady that sells the noodle Yeah បាទបងខ្ញុំក្មួយគាត់អូយច្រឡំដើរចូលអាយអូឈរពីកន្លែងនេះបាទ ឆ្ងាយពេកទៅមុខវិញអើមើលកាំងអូកាមេរ៉ាចេញចាំមែនធ្វើចឹង Yes star អត់លឺលេងបងស្រីហ្នឹងចឹង selling here at night all by yourself aren't you scared ចុះបងមកទិញកដាលយប់ហ្នឹងអត់ខ្លាចទេចុះទៅពេលប៉ារ៉ាមកខេឃើញខ្ញុំថ្លៃហានចឹង Give me a bowl of rice noodles with Cambodian fish soup non-spicy please អូយអ្នកនៅក្នុងហ្គេមនេះអត់មែនទេចឹងណាស៊ីអត់ដាក់ម្ទេសមិនណាអូចាំមកថាម្ទេសវាមិនដាក់ទៅវាមិនហឹរឯណាទេញ៉ាំម្ទេសมันវាឆ្ងាញ់มันវាឲ្យកម្លាំងដាក់ម្ទេសទៅវាស្រស់ស្រាយcan I also have a what what you want have a what ចឹងណា Can I give you this ទៅបើមិននឹងថា Can I have a ទៅឲ្យបាត់ dialogue ចង់ហើយស្ដាប់អត់លឺម្លេងទៀតហ្នឹងណាយកអូត្រូវតា Just selling all loans is in the quiet like this be super careful Okay បង You yeah thank you បងស្រី wear skinny jean Take out the trash Okay I'll click here Where Oh Right there right Watch out នេះមែន Big jump scare ឯងទៅអុយអញខ្លាចនៅម្នាក់ឯងពីគ្រូអូខេយើងលុយភ័យចង់លោតពីលើក្អីមិនអីតិចអត់មែនទេអីនៅម្ដុំបរិយមែនអារម្មណ៍ថាដូចយើងនៅម្ដុំបរិយហើយនៅមិនដែរមានបរិយដែរមិនបរិយ find the what អូងាប់ instruction ឲ្យមិនចឹងទេកាត់ដាច់អស់ចឹង press E to clean okay wait I press E where find the phone booth តើបានបិទហ៎អត់បិទនេះហ៎មិនចឹងបិទភ្លើងឯងតិចអស់ភ្លើងអ៊ីស្អីឲ្យបិទកាត់ចឹងអត់មានចឹងទៅក៏អត់បិទទេហើយចាំកាត់ទៅធ្វើតាម instruction call mom find the phone booth ហ្នឹងណាដល់តាមមិនអត់ឃើញមាន phone booth ផង phone booth ហ្នឹងអីគេអីមែនមានតែហ្នឹងដឹងណាអាហ្នឹងហើយអូបែរសោះខ្មែរមកពីណកមកពីណាហួយឡើងដាក់ខ្ញុំអានអត់លើកបិទបាត់ឡើងលើកនៅ Hi mom you so my how was your first day night at your aunt's អូយដើរយូរមែនតើបងdialogue ដើរលឿនតិចទៅ Better than I expected. I thought nobody would come, but I actually got quite a few customers. I'm laying chai, mình lư làm lên mình làm khlang vô mong. That's good. Your aunt must be relieved. Okay. Yeah. But one customer said she saw someone following me when I opened the stall. Okay, I have issue with readings. I don't think I have dyslexia, but yeah, it's hard to read. Following you? That's what she said. Yeah, that's what she said. But I didn't see anybody or anyone. Then don't think too much about it. Just be careful when you're walking home at night. Lock your door and get some sleep. You'll have another long night tomorrow. Okay, Mom. Good night. Good night, sweetheart. Okay. Finish. Go home. I didn't know that we got free calls. Also, not to mention like we got no actual money came from this. What? Huh? Somebody? Someone walked behind me. dot. Let's just go home. Yeah, I mean, I'm going home. I'm scared. Ah! Oh, what I thought you're home already. What are you doing here? Anh, hay mày đọc cho Giang nhỉ? Con đọc cho Giang? Tell me, man. Wait, I saw someone. Did I saw someone or it's just a leaf? Okay. Lý, bác Thùy á. Trong Thùy tôi mà. Lý, bác Thùy á. Cho em xây dân bố hiện á. Ơi anh. Không màu. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Thơ mấy thế? Đừng mong đó. Oh my god, I'm paranoid. Did someone just hit us? That's crazy. Thank you for playing the demo. This is just the beginning. Yeah, we will drive into immersions and intensify the level. Who's standing behind Nita? Someone's standing behind Nita? Okay. It's the end of the game. Or the demo. Oh my god, this is so crazy. When we like start, this thing doesn't move. Now it's moving. Anyway guys, it's the end of missing Bạc Kluan, the late night rice noodles demo. So yeah, it's the end.